Alright, here's another acquisition from Girding Estates. This is a 5,000 BTU fetters unit. The reason I've got this is because the first air conditioner I ever bought was one of these. I ended up getting it taken away from me because my stepdad was kind of a jerk like that, and I only got to use it for like half a summer, which really sucked. But so Nate got this one in some big estate clean out he did, and I asked about it, and here it is. There is one small problem with it. It does have the broken speeds control, but the thermostat works. See, fetters. I do have the original grill from mine that has the slider thing still. This one does not have that anymore. And it is the information sheet. It is 5,000 BTU, as I said, 150 volts, 50 hertz, 5.8 amps. Model A1, is that a Q? A1Q05Q05F2B. I am not going to put that in the description. I'm guessing that's the date code, 1988 of 02. So the second month of 88, I would assume. Yeah, it's not in the greatest shape, but it's not in the worst shape either. I mean, it's a over 30-year-old air conditioner, so it's going to be kind of rough. Here's the back side of it. I always liked the way these looked. Very childhood units, especially with the Fetters logo down there. I always liked the way these looked. Used to see these old Fetters units a lot as a kid. It has a Gold Star fan motor, if you can even see it in there. I'm not sure what the compressor is, but it's in there. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. It's a Rotor X made in the USA. So it's got a Rotor X compressor. We got the kilowatt meter here. We're going to plug her in and see what she does. It's actually blowing out cold air. Pretty good too. Yeah. I don't know if you can read this. It's drawing 4.6 amps and 438 watts. And there goes the door. It actually moves some good air. There's the compressor. Honestly, doesn't seem like it's in bad shape. Other than the speed control being busted on it. I can't change the speed, but you can use the thermostat, which isn't wanting to click right now. It worked earlier. But yeah. Earlier it sounded like something was caught up in there. It actually moves some pretty cool air. I need to get this fixed up. I might use it next year. Ugh, stuff getting in my eye. Anyway, let me unplug it. And yeah, there's the old Fetters air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.